Special Olympics is actually an organization, a nationwide, it's a worldwide organization that was founded by the Kennedy family. I can't remember exactly what year, but it helps provide, the best way to describe it, it provides athletic experiences for people that have disabilities that to help make them feel like they are the stars of the day, because they absolutely deserve that. So it's, in a nutshell, it's a worldwide nonprofit organization that specializes in adaptive sports.
How long have you been doing it, and Halldale has been doing it?
So Halldale's been doing it for a very, very long time. I'm not certain what the first year was. I know that it was one of the first JMG specialists here. His name was John Burgess. He brought the Special Olympics of Kennebec County here to Halldale a long, long time ago. I think back sometime in the 90s. We've had a long tradition of hosting the Kennebec County Special Olympics here. I've worked with adults with disabilities since I was in high school at a summer camp, and then ever since I've been at Halldale, way back when my first year in 2010, 2011, I helped with running some of the Special Olympics stuff with Mr. Matt St. John, who also works for JMG at the time, still works for JMG, but this will be my 6th year. It's my 6th year of doing JMG. My 5th or 6th year, it all blends together, but this will be the 4th time I've run Special Olympics. We lost 1 year due to COVID.
If nothing else, what's one takeaway we can have from the Special Olympics?
It is the best day of the year at Halldale. I think everybody that gets to go out and see it, participate in it, whether they're a volunteer or even the athletes. We have athletes that, are a unified team. When we filled the gym, I think about how everybody in the school felt when we did that during Winter Carnival. It's the absolute, just most special day because you're getting to interact with, my experience has always been working with Special Olympics. We're working with and hanging out with and spending a day with absolute rock stars and the most genuine people that you could ever imagine. And for me, the biggest takeaway always is how we make their day and we make their month and we make their year. They look forward to this all year long. There are people that do Special Olympics here at Halldale in Kennebec County. Some of them go on to do the state meet up in Orono at the University of Maine. Some of them, this is the only experience they have, but the moment they get in their vehicles to go home, they're already talking about coming back next year. So just seeing the smiles on their faces and everybody being just genuinely happy to have a day where they're the stars of the show, they're the rock stars, and they're the center of attention, and we give them all the love and attention that we can, and just make it a great day. So I don't think I've ever talked to anybody, whether they're an athlete, a coach, a volunteer, or just a student that's going out with a class to see what's going on, that doesn't walk away, or teachers that bring their kids out. Just everybody, at the end of the day, it gives us the momentum and the energy we need to finish the year strong.
All right, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm Henry Fisher,
I'm Jack Chapin.
and we're here at the Special Olympics 2024, and I don't know, it's always a pleasure to be here. It's a great morning out. It got moved from Wednesday to today, Thursday, and either days would have been fine. It's really a pleasure that we're here today.
It's always really fun being here, seeing everybody compete, have a good time. It's always just, it feels really nice.
It's a great opportunity. We host for such a big community of people, and it's a great opportunity.
I really love the Special Olympics. My uncle ran the torch 1 year, and it's just always so much fun to be here.
All right.